Gulfstream and Boeing have been known to make the most luxurious private jets in the world. But there is one luxury car manufacturer trying to challenge them. Mercedes-Benz has made some of the fastest and most luxurious cars over the years, and they're now working to bring the next step in private jets to the masses. Pretty soon, you won't have to be on the ground to experience everything the car maker has to offer. In 2015 at the European Business Aviation Convention in Geneva, Mercedes-Benz Style announced their partnership with Lufthansa Technik to design a cabin for short and medium-haul aircraft. Over the years, Mercedes-Benz branched and created a non-automotive design firm to see how far they could extend their brand's reach, and now they're trying their hand in private aviation. If you plan on flying with Mercedes in the future, you can kiss sitting in coach goodbye because you won't be seeing any of these designs in your typical passenger aircraft. And these design concepts are anything but your typical aircraft layout. The cabin interiors will have a spiral-like layout, and the floors will flow into the ceiling, giving a unique and artistic experience and aesthetic. The designers at Mercedes-Benz have said that their goal with the design was to have the entire cabin feel like a singular unit. The windows in the cabin will be behind black panels, which will have a floating appearance to make you feel like you're sitting inside a Mercedes S-Class sedan. These panels will be controlled electronically, letting whoever is on board dim the cabin with the push of a button. And of course, the displays will be completely touchscreen and integrated into the cabin's sleek black panels. Of course, when the design was revealed, it generated a massive amount of media buzz and drew plenty of potential customers. But only a few models will be made, making the Mercedes-Benz private jet an exclusive and expensive piece of aviation excellence. The design concept was presented again in 2017 at the Monaco Yacht Show, and Wieland Tim, the head of sales, VIP and special mission aircraft at Lufthansa Technik, announced that the prerequisites for certifying and building the aircraft were complete, meaning they were ready to start taking orders. So get in line. The company also presented a 3D printed model of the aircraft at the Monaco Yacht Show, bringing the dream even closer to a tangible reality. But when you walk into the cabin, you'll immediately forget that you're aboard an aircraft, because the state-of-the-art design will make you feel like you're in a science fiction movie. And that's the whole point. The designers want you to immediately forget that you're going through the arduous motions often associated with long flights. It's form and comfort above everything else. But a private jet like this isn't built for everyone, because it is in a different league than the rest. It doesn't look like anything else on the market and is sure to set the standard for the future of luxury designs. The two companies together have managed to bring innovation to both aviation and luxury vehicles to create something that is truly futuristic. While the Mercedes-Benz Jet may be at the forefront of innovation, they're not the only luxury car company with dreams of taking to the skies. Italian car manufacturer Pagani has designed the Infinito cabin for the Airbus ACJ319neo corporate jet. With this design concept, Pagani intends to reconnect air travelers to the skies by giving them a sky ceiling, which gives the passengers a live view of the sky as they travel through the clouds. The sky ceiling will give a whole new meaning to a bird's eye view. Think of it like putting the top down on your convertible, only now you're 20,000 feet above the two-lane blacktop. The interior is designed to make you feel like you're in anything but a commercial airline, with winding pathways throughout the cabin and clear partitions between rooms that can be changed from transparent to opaque with just the push of a button. It's going to give passengers the level of privacy that most people will never have on an aircraft. To add to the luxury, the floors are made of wood with soft leather carpeting, and the furnishings are all made of carbon fiber, meaning you'll never have to sit in a ripped coach seat for 8 hours again. And what private jet would be complete without a dining area, lounge and private cinema? This private jet will provide a one-of-a-kind experience. Get ready to hop on board another aircraft with a design concept that will make you feel like James Bond himself. Debuting in 2018 at the Farnborough Air Show, The luxury car manufacturer Aston Martin announced that they too were setting their sights on the sky with their Volante Vision concept. Chief Creative Officer Marek Reichman said that their goal was to create a new generation of urban transportation and mobility and turn fantasy into reality. And boy, did they! This futuristic model will be built for urban travel to keep up with the ever-growing congestion in urban areas. Too much traffic in your city to zip around in your Aston Martin? Well, the Volante aims to fix that by taking you out of the traffic and into the skies. With room for 3 passengers, there's no need for a pilot aboard the Volante because it'll be able to take off and land vertically, getting you from point A to B with its self-piloting technology. And although Aston Martin has yet to fully reveal the design specs, they have revealed that it'll use 3 large propellers to function, giving it an airplane, helicopter, and of course, sports car look and feel. If the rich and famous ever become bored of speeding down the road on 4 wheels, they'll soon have an outlet for something new. With luxury car companies pushing their technology and sleek designs further and further, they've begun to look to the sky for their next innovations. And why not? Because the sky's the limit, right? Companies like Mercedes-Benz, Pagani, and Aston Martin have put their money where their mouth is, and we can't wait to see these design concepts become a reality.